Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an absolutely gorgeous property for sale. It sits on 0.51 acres of land and is located at Hopeton in Manchester. This split-level property consists of a basement which has a double-car garage, a living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, two laundry rooms, and a porch. The ground floor consists of a powder room, a bedroom with bathroom and closet, a kitchen with dining area, a living room, and one other bedroom. The first floor consists of two-bedroom ensuite with bathrooms and closets, a balcony, a linen closet, a back porch, and a master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and walk-in closet. There is an electric water pump and solar water heater, as well as a concrete air tank and a concrete water tank. Hopeton is in proximity to Mandeville, where you can find amenities such as banks, restaurants, and plazas. The house is enclosed with concrete block walls, chain-linked fencing, and a double-swing iron gate. The garden features ornamental plants and fruit trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $411,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.